Knowing the calorie content of our daily food intake is akin to understanding the fuel efficiency of a car. It's not simply about the quantity of food, but the quality that truly matters, and calories are a measure of that quality. First, let's delve into the world of fruits. The humble apple, medium in size, approximately weighs in at 52 calories. A medium banana, on the other hand, contains about 105 calories. An orange of similar size has around 62 calories. 100 grams of grapes or strawberries stand at 69 and 32 calories respectively. Moving on to vegetables, 100 grams of lettuce contains a mere 14 calories. The same quantity of tomatoes and carrots have 18 and 41 calories respectively. Broccoli at 100 grams carries 55 calories, while the same amount of fried potatoes stands at a whopping 319 calories. Let's shift gears and look at proteins. 100 grams of grilled chicken breast harbors approximately 165 calories. Grilled beef of the same weight contains about 250 calories. Grilled salmon, on the other hand, has around 206 calories. A boiled large egg carries 78 calories, while 100 grams of tofu contains about 144 calories. Next up, dairy products. A cup of full-fat milk contains about 149 calories. 28 grams of cheddar cheese stands at approximately 110 calories. And a typical serving of non-fat natural yogurt, around 170 grams, carries about 100 calories. Carbohydrates too play a vital role. A slice of white bread has approximately 79 calories. 100 grams of cooked rice and pasta contain around 130 and 158 calories respectively. The same quantity of mashed potatoes carries about 86 calories. Lastly, beverages. A glass of water, green tea, or black coffee, all containing 0 calories. A glass of natural orange juice has about 112 calories, and a can of soda contains around 150 calories. Remember, these figures are average estimates for common foods and drinks. Values may vary based on different brands and preparation methods. Therefore, reading food labels and referring to official sources for more accurate information about calorie content in foods and drinks is always recommended. In conclusion, the importance of understanding the calorie content in our daily food intake cannot be overstated. It's a significant step towards mindful eating and improved health. By knowing how much fuel, or in this case, how many calories we're putting into our bodies, we can manage our dietary habits more effectively and make informed choices towards a healthier lifestyle.